Hi, my name is Jean Woodard, and this is my notebook for Study Skills class. Study Skills Notebook. I have a 3-ring binder, and in the front of my 3-ring binder, I have my homework, which I have turned in already. And then I took it out for now so I can look at it, but this is my index, and they have these stars on them. I'll explain those in just a minute. In the front here are all of my notes. I've taken a lot of them. I actually tried to type them out, but that turned out to be a very daunting task, so I kind of gave up on that. I still plan on doing it, but on my own time, when I have more time. And the reason I wanted to do that was because if you look at my notes and my index, I have these colored stars, right? These colored stars relate to the different chapters in here, so lesson planning, organization, memory training, etc. And then in my notes, I found that the different categories were mixed up a lot in my notes. So as you can see, like here's a yellow star, and then I'll have another page that has a blue star and a brown star. And so those would belong underneath in the chapter that they belong to. For example, the brown would be content mastery. And so I would like to, my hope is to copy these and then make a document of them and then put them notes in with the section that they belong. So that way they're also kind of readable, because I kind of wrote messy for myself. I usually am quite a neat writer, but taking notes, you kind of have to write fast. The little post-its that I have here are all the content cards or vocabulary cards that we've talked about, and I would like to make samples of those as well and put them in with the chapter that they belong. I did follow the notebook sections outline that we were given, characteristics, definitions, lesson planning and academic therapy methods, organization and time management, etc. And this took a lot longer to put together than I thought it was going to. So that's part of the reason also, is it's like I thought that'll be easy, just shove it behind a label and there we go. But some of these I found also belong to maybe more than one category. So I also plan on making photocopies of those and putting them in the proper category. I'm sure that some of my papers are probably not in the proper place. So because I do not have everything seemed to go mostly in content mastery, but I have nothing under note taking and nothing under handwriting. So I'm not exactly sure if I missed something, or if maybe, like I said, some things go into more than one category. So that's that. In the back of the book, there is also a pocket, and I meant to put in there some supplemental materials that I have. I went on to IEW and purchased portable walls, Grammar Go, and portable wall for the essayist. So, but they didn't fit in the back of the book, so I've got to figure out where I'm going to put those. I might try to see if I can find a bigger folder and just put them in there. Some other supplementary materials I printed or obtained is these that were supplemental materials on the web, or on the the Dropbox. And I went ahead and I didn't print everything, but I printed all of the things that said comprehension, and I just didn't print the worksheets, because I just thought that this looked like some good information for working with students. I believe that is it. Like I said, if you have any questions, or if you want me to show you anything specific, let me know, and I will do that and take a picture of it or what have you. If there is if you have any kind of key that tells me where all these forms should go, because like I said, I'm pretty sure that some of my handouts are not in the proper category or section of the notebook. So that would be great if I could put them in the proper section. That's it for now. Thank you, and thank you again for a wonderful course. Bye-bye.